Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to take backup from mobile in pen drive if your pen drive is not of type C. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. This is my pen drive of 16 GB which is not of type C. You can see this is micro USB and this is USB port. So I want to take backup from my mobile in pen drive. This is type C connector in my mobile. I can't connect this pen drive to this mobile. So for this you need to buy this type C OTG connector. You can buy it from your local mobile shop or online. You can use this type C connector for multiple purpose. You can connect this pen drive with mobile, or you can connect mouse to the mobile or tablet. Now I will show you how to connect and use and take backup from mobile. Guys, you need to connect this pen drive to this port and this end needs to be connected to the mobile. Type C port, you need to connect this one. Guys, after connecting this pen drive or OTG connector in some mobile, it will be open automatically. If it is not opening, then you need to enable one setting. Go to setting, scroll down, you can see this additional setting, click on this. Guys, you can see here OTG connection, just enable this one, then go back and open file manager. You can see here OTG connection, means OTG pen drive which I had connected. Open this one, you can see this folder of the pen drive. Now I'll show you how to copy from mobile to pen drive. This is a phone storage, internal storage of the mobile. Suppose I will copy this folder, just select this folder. You can, if you want to move, you can select move, or if you want to copy, just copy this one. After copy this, you can see phone storage, SD card, and this is the OTG connection or pen drive which I had connected. Just click on this. You can see here copy here option. Click on this copy here option. Guys, you can see the copy has been completed. Now I will show you whether it is copied or not. Go back, you can see here OTG option. Click on this. You can see I have copied this DizoWAS2 folder. It is copied successfully. Guys, so in this way you can copy mobile data in pen drive. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.